The world's oceans are full of amazing creatures that amaze with their unusual appearance. Special attention should be paid to underwater predators. These creatures can spend hours searching for a potential victim, but sometimes return with nothing or become a victim of more dangerous inhabitants. That is why nature has endowed them with unique abilities that allow them to develop their hunting skills to perfection. We invite you to dive for a few minutes into this mysterious and amazing underwater realm and get to know its unusual inhabitants. Mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp has earned the nickname, the crab from Mars, due to its unusual eye structure and extremely aggressive behavior. This warlike ocean dweller is officially known as the mantis shrimp. Its name comes from one of the pairs of maxillipeds with which it delivers powerful blows to its opponents. The mantis shrimp can deliver a devastating knockout blow in just 800 microseconds, making it one of the fastest animals on the planet. At that speed, it can strike 500 times before you can blink. This lightning strike heats the water and creates a tiny bubble of steam, which when it bursts, causes a shock wave with a temperature of over 4,000 degrees Celsius, comparable to the temperature of the surface of the sun. Adult mantis shrimp average 20 centimeters in length, although larger specimens can be found. They live at depths of 5 to 40 meters in tropical and subtropical seas, and have unique eyes that have no analogs in the animal kingdom. Their vision allows them to see circularly polarized light and distinguish about 100,000 colors, 10 times more than humans can distinguish. Mantis shrimp also have trinocular vision. 3 sections of each eye work independently, allowing them to simultaneously view their surroundings in different directions. This allows them to recognize different types of corals, prey, and predators. When hunting, the mantis shrimp makes several quick and precise strikes with its pincers, which allows it to cause serious damage or kill its prey. Moray eel. It is better not to mess with the moray eel, even if you do not realize its danger. Due to its aggressive nature, the moray eel is considered one of the most dangerous fish in the ocean. Its sharp teeth and fearlessness in front of enemies make it a deadly predator. There are over 100 species of moray eels in the world's oceans, each adapted to its own environment. All moray eels are predators that feed on fish, crabs, sea urchins, octopuses, and cuttlefish. Typically, the moray eel waits in ambush for its prey, attracting it with its wiggling nasal tubes, which serve as bait for small fish. As soon as the fish tries to grab the worms, it is trapped and quickly becomes the victim. Moray eels are mostly nocturnal, but they are always on guard during the day. If they smell a fish swimming by, they will definitely attack, especially if they are hungry. Some of the largest moray eels ever discovered by humans were over 3 meters long and weighed over 45 kilograms. Spearfishing enthusiasts should not disturb this secretive fish, approach its hiding place, or try to put their hands in the hole. Such behavior can be perceived as a threat, and the moray eel will respond not by running away, but by attacking. The diver will not be able to react in time to its rapid throw and subsequent bite. Sea devil. The sea devil is a mysterious inhabitant of the sea depths, about which legends are told. It is also called anglerfish. These fish prefer to live at considerable depths, sometimes descending 5 kilometers below the surface of the water. The conditions of existence at such depths are extremely difficult. Light practically does not penetrate here. The anglerfish is capable of producing its own biochemical glow. The unique growth on the head has earned this species the name cetaphil. This growth serves as bait. It contains special glands filled with bioluminescent bacteria that glow and attract unsuspecting fish into the trap. The anglerfish's mouth can catch a variety of sea creatures, mollusks, crustaceans, and sometimes even rays and small sharks. Thanks to its huge mouth and flexible body, the anglerfish can swallow prey twice its size. However, if it tries to attack a prey that is too large, it can lead to the death of both. The anglerfish can suffocate, and the prey can be seriously injured by its sharp teeth. Interestingly, only females have the characteristic fishing rod, since they are the predators of their species and use this appendage for hunting. Males and females of this fish are so different that they were previously considered different species. Males are significantly smaller than females, For example, a female can reach 60 centimeters in length, while a male rarely exceeds 6 centimeters. But the most amazing thing about these fish is their reproduction. As they grow, the males lose the ability to digest food and become parasites on the body of the females. This unique process looks like this. The male bites into the female's body with his sharp teeth and soon grows together with her lips and tongue. As a result, his jaws, teeth, eyes, and intestines atrophy, and nutrition is provided by the blood of the female, since their blood vessels also connect. In the male's body, only the heart and gills continue to function, providing him with oxygen to maintain the vital functions of the testicles. Bobbit Worm. The next hero of our video looks pretty harmless. From the seabed rises a small worm, which at first glance does not arouse suspicion, but in fact is one of the most terrible predators of the ocean. This amazing inhabitant of tropical waters prefers to live at depths from 6 to 50 meters, most often on coral slopes and in shallow lagoons. The predatory polychaete worm, known as Eunice Aphrodite or bobbit worm, has a coloration that varies from dark brown to golden red and purple. In the early stages of its development, this worm reaches only 10 centimeters in length, but quickly grows to 2–3 meters. During the day, the purple worm prefers to stay in its hole, buried in the sand, and at night it goes hunting. This creature has no eyes or brain, but it uses chitinous antennae to find prey. Powerful jaws, reminiscent of a trap, are used to capture and cut up prey. When hunting, the worm can extend 20–30 centimeters out of the sand and attack passing fish with such force and speed that it sometimes cuts them in half. It is also poisonous. Its toxin can paralyze or instantly kill its prey, which the worm then eats in its shelter. These miniature predators mercilessly hunt any prey that comes into their field of vision. So if you encounter a sea worm, it is better not to try to touch it. Tanap or comb jellies. This next amazing creature looks more like a Christmas ornament than a predator, but don't judge it by its appearance. These tiny creatures aren't jellyfish. They belong to an entirely different phylum known as comb jellies. There are over 100 species of these amazing organisms, the sizes of which vary from 5 millimeters to 2 meters. They swim in the waters of all seas at various depths, sparkling with bright rainbow colors. Unlike jellyfish, comb jellies do not have stings. Their weapon is a large mouth and a good appetite. Tanap lack a brain or specialized sensory organs. Instead, they have a simple neural network around their mouths that allows them to track chemical traces in the water. These unusual predators swim mouth first and feed on zooplankton, young fish, and even other ctenophores. They are known to have diverged from other multicellular animals early in their evolution, about 600 million years ago. All living things, from jellyfish to humans, use the same chemicals to transmit neuronal signals, but comb jellies do it differently. Their nervous system is unique and has no analogs on Earth. The nervous system of ctenophores, and perhaps the features of their muscles, evolved independently of other animals. They lack a number of receptors that are characteristic of other animals and that are involved in transmitting chemical signals between neurons. They probably use different types of RNA to perform similar functions. Interesting, isn't it? It was previously believed that all animals had a nervous system that evolved along a single path, from the simplest neural networks to the human brain. Now, scientists will have to reconsider this fundamental assertion. Further studies of the comb jelly's genome will likely change our understanding of the evolution of life on Earth and may find application in medicine. Studying these creatures is extremely difficult, as their tissues dry out quickly when removed from their natural environment, making transportation to the laboratory difficult. Thank you for watching the video. Write in the comments which sea creature surprised you the most. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.